Hey BladeOps, today we're taking a look at the Spyderco Autonomy. This has been a project long in the process. Really excited to get it in the shop. Spyderco has been planning this project auto for the past few years. They used to have the two automatic knives, the Citadel and the Embassy. They were great automatics. They took them off the market and they now have the Spyderco Autonomy. Now, this knife was designed for the US Coast Guard. You know, rescue swimmers, guys like that. They're in a lot of those situations. So when you're looking at the knife, when you're checking it out, definitely take that into consideration. This is definitely a functional, usable side opening automatic. So product code on the Spyderco Autonomy is the C165 GSBBK, of course serrated, black on black. And the price on these $209.95, shipping and everything included. So as far as the materials that it's made of, you have full G10 handle scales, steel liners, wire pocket clip, and of course the H1 steel, ultra rust resistant, great for salt water and everything the Coast Guard is going to need. So it has a full kind of open design. You can see the standoffs are a little bit closer to the middle of the knife than a lot of blades, and that can be accomplished because of the blade shape. Now this is a side opening automatic, and one cool feature is you can access the pivot and coil spring from the back without taking the knife completely apart, so that is very interesting. The wire pocket clip can go right or left-handed, and let's give you a little demo of the action and then we'll talk about the button and whatnot. Definitely a stiff, solid action. I mean, this comes out with quite a bit of force and locks up nicely. So let's take a look at the button. Got kind of a rounded plunger look. It does all move as one piece. This isn't a ring inside a piece of metal. It's just one big fat button, which is nice to get to. You're not going to lose position on where that button is at any time. So there is a good look at the button and the action. So you can see there's a little liner in there that retains the blade in the closed position. I want to put my other finger up there. Then when you push the button down, that liner is pushed away and the knife flies out. So when you push the button right there, it removes the liner. It does have a slide lock on the top. Locks the knife into place, will not fire. Fire it out. And you can also lock it after the blade is open and the knife will not close. So very cool, the Spyderco Autonomy side opening automatic. Really stoked to have it here in the shop. And this is definitely a functional blade. I mean, you can see the grip there, the grooves for your hand, fits very, very comfortable. You got plenty of grip and traction with the G10. And it's also got that great rescue style blade. So really aggressive looking design. Excited to see the response in the market. But if you have any questions about the Spyderco Autonomy or want to make a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. The Spyderco Autonomy, there is your quick demo. You can see H1 steel, little spider hole there. So there it is. Check it out. BladeOps.